My confirmed person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. This na Open Heavens Daily Devotional in Pidgin English for Friday will be the 13th day of September 2024, and na for here Favors blog will take dey come to you today. Our topic for today na God's commandments. Our Bible reading it come from the book of Luke chapter 11 from verse 27 go shook body enter 28. We will consider that scripture as we read them together. As Jesus talked these things, one woman for there could shout, God go bless the belly where he born you and the breast where you suck. Then Jesus say, people will hear God word and do what he talk. Now them God don't bless. Our memory verse now from the book of 1 John chapter 5 verse 3. 1 John chapter 5 verse 3. Oh yeah, you go read with me. To love God now to keep a commandment, and a commandment they not the add. Make we enter today's message. I better not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. When God give commandments, many people they say the commandment na to favor God. Meanwhile, every commandment wey God they give na for your own good. When you disobey God, na yourself you dey injure. He still be God, whether you obey him or you not obey him. That will not change the fact say na God him be. So those who choose to disobey God, now them they actually they lose out, not be God. So if you feel say you dey disobey God, then God go lose na lie. Not be God they lose. Now you will disobey, now they lose. When God asked Abraham say make he sacrifice his son to him, not because God want chop breakfast, he want use the boy to do breakfast. No. Now because he want make Abraham obedience open door of irreversible blessings for him and all the children when he go born. I wish Abraham disobey, if we miss out on this great blessing. When Elisha tell them and say make him go watch for inside River Jordan, not because he want disgrace am, now because he want make he receive a healing from leprosy. Naaman almost miss a healing because of pride in the carry body. I wish he not go bath. Elisha not for lose anything, but now Naaman he for be leper all the days of his life, and I say for take move. When God give you instruction, no matter how hard reach, you go gain a lot when you obey him. E get one special gift when God give man, and that gift I will tell you they call free will. This free will now one of the things will make us the more special than every other creation of God. If you decide to obey him, or if you decide to disobey him if you want. However, for God to justify any blessing anyone gives you, he won't make you obey him out of your free will, for your mind. Many it come from your mind, only you just decide to obey him. If you disobey instruction, that means you dey use your free will against God, and that one don't disqualify you from the blessings where they attach to that instruction when God give you. When God sent Elijah go meet the widow of Zarephath for food, he tell the woman to give her a last meal. Not be Elijah na need miracle at that point, because God don dey feed Elijah by himself supernaturally until that time. God just won't test the widow to see whether she go gree use her free will for herself or for God, and she passed the test. And because she passed the test, she could get more than enough food to last her throughout the famine. Also, when her pikin kick bucket for inside 1 Kings chapter 17 from 17 to 22, because she don't obey God, Elijah did there to bring the boy back to life. Beloved, to obey God now always for your good. No ever forget that one. What will be our key point for today? Our key point for today be say, not ever miss any opportunity to show God say you dey use your free will for am. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. No forget say the topic wey we consider today na God commandments, and this message na from the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, wey be book wey Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. Na there we for take the message, and na on top this your ogbonge channel Favours Blog, na you take listen to this message today. We want thank all our subscribers, but I beg, if you never subscribe, help us like this video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel on the notification bell, so that when we drop new video, you go be one of the first persons to know say better don shele on top Favours Blog. And also, the Redeemed Christian Church of God Young Adult and Youth Affairs, they invite you to International Youth Convention 2024. The theme for this convention na Dominion. The date na 30th of September to 4th of October 2024, and na for the Redemption City of God for kilometer 46 Lagos Ibadan Expressway, Ogun State. Na this convention go take place. No forget say throughout this convention na free feeding and accommodation for everybody wey go attend. Me, I don dey destined to dominate. What about you? We go see for our next video. Until that time, don't forget to register for this ogbonge program and attend am. God bless you.